Hello guys and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to talk about Slope Finance, which is a fantastic way for you to find Web3 applications to invest in this upcoming bull cycle, which I am pretty sure is going to be starting very soon. Obviously nothing I talk about on this video is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay, so this is the Slope Finance website, guys. Link down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. You can see, first of all, we're going to check out what's going on this homepage. Slope, a wallet, your Web3 navigator. For the curious, the easiest way to discover Web3 applications. Now, Web3 obviously is going to be the future. There's lots of exciting things happening in Web3 right now. And there's lots of exciting opportunities, in particular if you're looking for investments. All of this is available on all the different app stores, etc. So easy enough to find the one that is suitable for you. It's going to allow you to do things like token swaps, buy and hold tokens, as well as that earning staking rewards by staking different tokens, etc., which is obviously pretty cool. So it's basically like asset management page, guys. And what's really cool is it's all held within an app. So all very simple and straightforward. You've got access from multiple devices. You can use phones as well as laptops, etc. Explore Solana dApps. Slope provides the simplest yet most secure way to connect to Solana dApps. You are always in control when interacting on the new decentralized web. You then got gain full control of your account. Users can choose to manage accounts by themselves. Slope will guide users to encrypt and backup credentials. This is obviously important, guys, and it does say backup credentials for a good reason, having recently just had a bit of a problem with that myself, so always make sure you do that. Solana Nucleus, the heartbeat of Solana, one-stop Solana eco rankings, news, industry developments. Guys, if you don't really know much about Solana, it's worth going away and finding out more information on Solana, because Solana, in my opinion, is the blockchain of the future. And when Solana does very well, which I'm pretty confident is about to happen with the new bull cycle kind of around the corner, you're going to see all the applications that are built on successful platforms like Solana absolutely exploding, because the market caps are pretty small and you're going to get potentially amazing returns if you do your research correctly. Now, another cool thing that's featured here is NFTs. Mint, collect and auction extraordinary NFTs. Slope lets artists create and mint their own NFTs. Self-hosted NFT storefront, Slope wallets. Very low fees. Slope mystery box. Gamification modules that distribute random NFTs to participants. It helps promote community engagement and retention. NFTs have traditionally been built on the Ethereum network, but Ethereum has been extremely expensive and difficult because of high gas fees. Whereas Solana doesn't have this problem, scalability issues are not a thing that Solana has any problems with. It's extremely fast, it's extremely affordable, so it makes NFTs what they should be, which is kind of like a fun thing to maybe buy and sell and trade, but without having to worry about the crazy fees that go along with them. Clicking on the DAO, you can see that it's yet to be fixed into the platform, but that's coming very soon. It's going to have all of the information for all of the different protocols available already loaded into the system, which means you don't have to open loads of browsers to go away and find all the information on each of them. It's all going to be centralized through this app, which is pretty cool. Other cool things you're going to have is the swap, which is handled by the Jupiter aggregator, offering some of the very lowest fees, transactions, and speed of movement, which is obviously really exciting going forward with crypto, and something that has been lacking up until now because of sort of more basic, perhaps, blockchains and things that have been in place. But obviously we're starting to see lots of improvements, which is really exciting. As I mentioned, like Web3, the metaverse is really exciting, and there's lots of different opportunities, and it's really worth going away, finding a protocol that really can solve a problem that you think deserves or needs to be solved, and then going and sort of looking at more information around it, and then seeing whether or not it's worth investing in. Coming down below, guys, you can see they're backed up by some really big names in the crypto Web3 metaverse world, which is obviously showing that there's a good deal of support behind this platform. If you come across the documents page, there's loads more information and things available about what Slope is and all the kind of like benefits of using Slope. Slope Finance, community-driven full stack platform that consists of sectors of DEX, or decentralized exchange, wallets, and NFTs built atop Solana, provides a blazing fast speed, nearly zero transaction fees, and an intuitive interface to users. Our goal is to forge a Robinhood of DeFi. Now, Robinhood is quite a cool platform because it allows people to do lots of different things within crypto within kind of different markets, etc., and all for fairly low fees. But then there's a lot of things that you don't really have control over. By being decentralized, it means that the people who are involved in the platform, ultimately you and me, if we want to invest, can then have a say in how things are done. And that's cool because you get governance, and governance is really important going forward. One, not only because you have a say in how things are done, but as well as that, you can get rewards from supporting and helping the platform sustain itself. Also, another cool thing is there's going to be analytical tools, etc., which you can use to help and support you in your investments going forward, and kind of learn a lot more about all of the things happening, because once crypto starts moving again, you're going to see an explosion of new projects getting launched all the time, and it's difficult sometimes to keep up with what is going on. So you can see Solana Nucleus is something that will be really useful because it's going to give you different information about industry developments and other things that will help potentially benefit you in the longer term. Jumping across to Cointelegraph, you can see that Slope has already been featured in a number of different news stories. You can see that they completed an $8 million funding led by Solana Ventures. And there's a little bit of information here about all of the projects and how it all kind of works, more detailed, etc., than we might have talked about already. And then another one over here on Globe Newswire. Slope Wallet, the Web3 mobile gateway, has launched cross-chain swap functionality. If you think about Web3, it's a very new thing. This kind of like gateway into new projects is something that is always very useful because people don't really understand what it is. If you think about the internet, like Web 1 into Web 2, no one really understood what the kind of like the concept of the internet was. And then now everyone uses those applications and things every single day. So you can see the potential success that Web3 is going to have, because every single day new people are going to start to use it. And eventually it's going to be everyone using it. And, then we can see the kind of upside excitement and potential all associated with it. Jumping across to Twitter then, guys, you can see 75,000 followers. Been around for a bit of time now, but it's obviously well established and starting to grow. And obviously with the launch of Web3 and how things are about to change massively, I think this is a very exciting way for them to direct their attention, and this could be a really interesting thing. So definitely come and check it out, guys. Link down below in the description after this video. So here you can see inside of the wallet, all very straightforward, guys. As I've mentioned, you can go and download this from the App Store. All links and stuff down below in the description, but you can see just here, obviously got my Solana wallet. It's very easy to transfer amounts across from different wallets to each other. It's pretty standard in what you will see with most different wallets. You can use MoonPay, depending on which country you're in, to spend money and buy crypto from fiat currency that you already hold, and then use that to do different things. The cool thing about this platform is you have the ability to stake through it. What staking basically is, guys, it gives you the opportunity to earn rewards on your crypto. So if you're holding Solana, for example, and you think that over a period of time the value is going to go up, then why not hold it and stake it, because then you can make a passive income on your crypto. Also got NFTs and everything available. You've also got the ability to hold different NFTs within the same platform and look at them all, trade them, etc. And as well as that, there's various different types of wallets and features. Here you can see kind of like the marketplace for different NFTs, and you can go through and find different items that you're interested in. Obviously, guys, don't just go and jump into NFTs if you don't know much about them. There's plenty of videos where you can go and learn about them, but it's a great place to start Solana NFTs because the gas prices are super low. Here you can see this is all the details that you'll see on the app, kind of like different things that you might see on kind of the desktop, but nice that you can do it all from your own pocket. And here, guys, kind of like OpenSea, you've got all access to all of the different projects. You can click on the different projects and then you can see more details about them, like the amount that's been traded, etc, etc. Now, obviously, guys, this app is all about kind of Solana-based projects, and clicking on through this section, you can see all of the different things that are available on the Solana blockchain, whether that be NFTs through Magic Eden, Solana Art. You can get into DeFi through various different platforms, GameFi, and it's basically consolidating all of these amazing Solana projects into one place where you can go through them all and find out all the different exciting features that are available and see what is useful for you, whether that be staking cryptos, buying NFTs, and much, much more. Also, guys, if you know particular Solana platforms, etc., that you want to get a hold of, you can click on them and you can search through. It's going to give you some information about them there. And through here, for example, you can see if you want to use Orca, you can use it to swap Solana into USDC, vice versa, and basically trade all cryptos like you do normally at a very affordable price. Obviously, everything through the Solana blockchain is super fast, super cheap. And here you can see you've just got access to all of the different apps, really straightforward and easy to use. Here you can use Mango, whether you're looking to do day trading, and lots of other features. But I really recommend getting yourself involved in this app, guys, because there's so many cool things. And if you're interested in crypto, then there's no better place to get started than getting into Solana and the wealth of Solana projects and products that are available. Now, what's cool as well, guys, it also offers not just token swaps along the Solana blockchain, but you also have the ability to cross-chain, which means swapping from perhaps an Ethereum blockchain onto a Solana blockchain, which if you try to use MetaMask, etc., is a really difficult and annoying thing to do, because you have to usually send it to another place like Binance or whatever to then send it back in a different currency. It also includes all of the different news, etc., that's happening in the space. So it's a kind of an all-in-one app that makes crypto very much easier to get involved in, and is definitely going to open up the crypto world for many people around the world, which is a great thing, offering all of the things that make crypto so special all in one place. So in summary, guys, Slope Finance is all about Solana and the Solana blockchain and all of the new Web3 applications that are going to be built on top of it, as well as NFT marketplaces, DAOs, and much more. Loads of information about it can be found in the documents that support the website, and the website still has a few things being added to it, but more and more things are happening all the time, so make sure you come and check it out after this video. Guys, if you've enjoyed that content, then make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks very much for doing that. And if you want to learn more about crypto launches, NFTs, Web3, and much more, then make sure you subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye.